Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make Feijoa Sorbet. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need ripe feijoas, sugar, and water. Make sure your feijoas are nice and soft, as this indicates they're perfectly ripe and full of flavor. We're aiming for about 2 cups of feijoa pulp, which is the heart of our delicious sorbet. This easy guide will have you enjoying a refreshing treat in no time. Now that you have your feijoas, it's time to prepare them. Carefully have each feijoa and use a spoon to scoop out the delicious, aromatic pulp. Discard the skins and any firm, unyielding parts of the fruit. Once you've extracted all the pulp, transfer it to a blender. Process it until you achieve a perfectly smooth and uniform puree. This step is crucial for a silky smooth sorbet texture. Next, let's create our simple syrup, which adds the perfect sweetness to our sorbet. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. It's important not to boil it vigorously. Once dissolved, remove the syrup from the heat and allow it to cool down completely. This ensures your sorbet mixture stays cold. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for our delightful feijoa sorbet. Combine the completely cooled simple syrup with your smooth feijoa puree. Stir them together until they are well integrated. Now, pour this vibrant mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once churned, transfer the soft sorbet to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 2 hours until firm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.